What is up, everybody? The Hunter GT with TheHunterGT.com, where you can pick up one of these Teknetics Liberators coming up on the website when these launch. That's right, this is a pre-production model we have here. We are going to be unboxing it, running through the menu, and taking a look at this bad boy, the Teknetics Ameritek Liberator. That's right. MSRP $349, 7.7 kilohertz Frat Brothers technology right here. 2.5 pounds, very light, swing it all day. 9-volt battery, 20 hours of usage. That's right, this is a nice detector. It has all sorts of features. We will run through the menu and talk about all of those. For the price, the MSRP, this is a wonderful deal. Pretty excited about this. So let's get to the unboxing of this Ameritek Liberator from Teknetics. Alright, we got it opened up. The Huntress is yanking it out of the box here with care. With care, Huntress. Let me pull this right out of this side here. There is the meat and potatoes of the detector here. So what do you say we take a look at this faceplate here, guys? Check that out. Get it into the light here. So there it is. Check out the eagle, the Liberator. You got the Teknetics logo up top, plus minus, up or down, pinpoint, ground grab, and mode with the power button right under the beak there. So is that a sweet looking faceplate or what? Yes. Man, that is nice. Really liking it. Really liking it. Alright, so here is the rest of it. It is a 2-pole setup here. We have the long plastic rod right there with the locking collar, S-handle, foam grip. So there it is, all out of the box. 11-inch DD coil. Stock with this for $349 MSRP. That is pretty good. So it comes with the 11-inch DD, middle rod, and there it is, a 3-part setup. This is a pre-production unit, no manual, anything like that in the box. This is what I got. So what do you say we run through, put it together first, run through the features of the menu and take a look at it, and I'll spout out some information for you guys to write down and fantasize about for when this comes out here in a couple weeks. Alright, here we have it set out on the table. Arc stand so it doesn't fall over in the field there. Got our nice forearm padded rest there. Black paint on the S handle. Foam grip. There is the Liberator faceplate right there. Pretty cool. Let's swing it around. We have a speaker right there if you don't want to use your headphones. It's got a little door right here for your 1/4-inch headphone adapter. You can open and shut it to keep the dust out. Pretty nifty. 9-volt battery right there. Give you approximately 20 hours of usage. Push-in coil connector wrapped around the rest of the upper S rod there. Locking collar. High quality, like a hard resin plastic lower rod there. No flex in it, very nice and sturdy. 11-inch DD coil. Let's listen here, watch. It's nice and locked in. Nice and quiet, no flex. Really nice and quiet detector. No squeaks and rattles there, so really good. The Liberator here, guys. $349. Recovery speed is great on this. Really good depth, 10 inches on a coin-size object. Good unmasking separation. It's really a nice detector for the MSRP they are marketing this as. So really a great detector. It's going to be one of my favorites. I can tell you that right now. What do you say we run through the menu here and check out this Liberator? 7.7 kilohertz Frat Brothers technology. So Google that. You're going to get a ton of information. Proven technology here with this, guys. I mean, like award-winning proven technology here with this detector. For the price, it's just bonkers what they're doing here with this new Ameritek line. Enough about that. Let's go jump into the menu and the features and check it out. Alright guys, here it is. Let's turn it on. Cycle through the boot up real quick. We have our battery meter, bottom right, 2 of 3 bars right there. Starts up in disc C, which is coin mode. We have our depth meter right here with 5 bars. Just 1 bar is lit up. You have a shallow target, coin size. It's based off coin size objects. So 1 bar, you have a shallow target. 5 bars, you know, you have a deep target there. sensitivity and volume adjustment are the only two adjustments you can adjust in the first three presets. Disc C for coin, J for jewelry, and A for artifact or relics basically. So all you can change as a preset ground balance of 82. So we have sensitivity here, which goes from 10 all the way down to 1. And we have volume, which goes from 1. You can hear it get quieter and louder, all the way up to 10. Okay, so let's hit mode here. We have ground grab, pinpoint, plus minus, up, down, and mode. So we'll hit mode. Watch where it says disc C. Now we are in disc J. We can see our icons along the top: aluminum, 5 cent, foil, 10 cent, 25 cent, 50 cent. Keep an eye on that along the top. As I change modes, sometimes you'll see a little segment missing for the coin mode where it notches out certain stuff. So pretty neat, pretty neat. So now we're in jewelry mode right here, and you notice still just volume and sensitivity on the left hand side there. So we'll hit mode again. Now we're in A for artifact. You can see all the icons light up right there. We'll hit mode one more time. Now we are in disc 2. Well, now we have some more options over here. All right, and disc 2, this is customizable. So this setting save when I turn it back on right here. Okay, so I can change everything. My V brake, my notch, we'll go over that right here, and it saves the settings when you turn this detector off and on. So pretty cool. And then we have mode again. We have disc 3 that we can change, a 3-tone mode, and disc 4 is a 4-tone mode. It has high, mid, and low, and then VCO. So those are your 4 tones. The VCO tone is the closer a target is to the coil, the louder it is on the volume. The further or deeper or smaller, tiny an object is, the fainter the signal is going to be, or the volume coming out of the detector. Okay, so that's VCO. It's a voltage controlled oscillator. Go Google it. All right, so we hit mode one more time. We have all metal right here. So sorry for the wobbly camera here, guys. I got it resting against me here as I speak. So all metal mode right here. And what adjustments do we have here? We have sensitivity, volume, and if we go down, we have ground. So manual ground balance on this detector. If we hold it down, we can go from 99 all the way down to 0, which is salt. So you can use this detector at the beach, on the ocean, no problem there. So all the way down to 0. It may give you some chatter in the salt water itself or wet sand, obviously. But yeah, you can go all the way down to salt. Pretty cool feature. Manual ground balance, and you have ground grab here, which is a quick, you hold that and pump the coil and it's a quick ground balance. I'll go over that in the next video when we do some air testing, and this is just an unboxing and a feature review right here. Okay, so we hit mode again. We're back to C, J, and A, but let's go back to disc 2 because we have some options here that show up now. So let's press down. What do we have there? We have disc level. So now we can go from disc 0 all the way up to 59, right where dimes start to come in at 60, and we hit minus and we go all the way back down to 0. So from 0 to 59, pretty cool. Go down, we have a V brake now. So look at the top bar there. You see the gray on the left and how it's black on the right? So that's my V brake. I can set that up to 69, clear up to a 25 cent range. So what that is, left of the V brake is all low tone. And up here is going to be either your VCO, mid, or high tone, depending on what mode you're in, 2, 3, or 4. So that's how the V brake works right there. You adjust that, and if you want to say stop right there, all this will be low tone now, and all that dark will be high tone, or whatever tone is set. So pretty cool. That's how the V brake works. We'll go ahead and lower that back down to 0. All right, we hit down again, and what do we have next? Notch width. So now I can go from 0 to 20, and look at that notch up top. See that blank spot showing up right there when I widen it? So that area will not detect. You saw how foil and 5 cent just disappeared. So now you are not detecting foil or 5 cents. And we can move that notch. We're in notch width, so we go down again to where it says notch. Now look, we can move that notch wherever we want along the top range there, all the way up to 99. I mean, we can notch out the silver range all the way down to iron. So you can play with your V brake, your notch, and your disc all three of those, you can have some pretty neat settings where you're notching out a section, have V-brake running up to a certain point, have your disc running up to a certain point. So quite a customizable detector. All right, so we hit down again and it takes us back up to sensitivity. We'll bump it up to 5, and then we have our volume at 7. Okay, so those are the 3 customizable modes. Like I said, all settings change in disc 2, 3, and 4. They adjust across all 3 settings. So see, my notch is still there in disc 4. Okay, so we'll go ahead and let's remove that notch real quick. We'll go ahead and bring it back down to 0 so nothing's notched in there. So, all right, and let's check out the pinpoint here. I think I got something in the floor or whatever real quick, so let's hold down pinpoint button. There we go, we got a nail there or something. Raise it up, it's going 6 inches, 7, let's go down. You see 1 inch. So it's right there, right underneath the middle of the coil, right in the middle of the coil there. You're going to see a little dot. See that dot right in the direct middle of the coil? You can see it kind of glimmering there. That is your pinpoint target. When you hit the pinpoint button, your target should be right underneath that. So there it is, guys. I think I covered everything. 0 to 99 ID will show up right here. Let's find something in the... So there we go. So you see that? You see a 16, 24. We got some pipes and nails and stuff like that in the floor. So 0 to 99. Right there, your iron will stop at 20, nickel range is right there at 35, and then your silver range is 60 to 99 up there. So 0 to 99 ID, depth meter, battery meter, V-brake, we got notch, notch width, all sorts of settings here, guys. If we hold down mode, watch this, bottom right here, if we hold down, oh, let's get out of all metals. So we're in, and that's one thing about all metal. All metal will have the ID as well, so pretty cool. Let's hold down mode and watch this. We're in disc A. Well, let's go to disc 2. We're in disc 2, right? Hold down mode, and look, it takes you to all metal mode. So you can do a quick check on a target in all metal mode by holding down mode, and then when we let go, it takes us right back to our disc 2, our discrimination setting. Pretty cool, right? Right. All right, guys, 7.7 kilohertz, proven technology here. Great price to performance on this Liberator. Liberate yourself from those high prices. I mean, this is awesome detector. Teknetics Ameritek Liberator, $349 MSRP. I will have much more coming with this Minuteman and the Liberator and the Patriot, the new Ameritecs from Teknetics coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and feature video. The Hunter GT signing off. I will see you on the next video.